How to log into Westpac credit card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're going to find the search box. Type in Westpac credit card and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, westpac.com. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the top left you're going to find three bars. Click on it. Then select the option of sign in. Button select the option for which you have created the account. You will land to the login page. Now you have to provide your credentials. Go ahead and fill this. Firstly, type in the customer ID, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Customer ID. In the case you have forgotten to use your ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. After you fill this, click on Sign In, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Westpac credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.